If you could start your own lucrative online business for just $50, would you do it? What kind of business? A wholesale membership buyers club, something like Costco and Amazon. How lucrative are we talking? How about unlimited residual income potential for life? Hey, I don't expect you to believe what I just said until I prove it to you with some simple math. To officially start your business, you pay $40 one time only. That makes you a business owner and gives you the key to a lifetime residual affiliate income stream. All businesses have operating costs. Your cost for your very own membership buyers club is $9.95 a month. Come on. What's the catch? No catch, that's it. Less than $10 a month. Okay, what products do you have to sell? You don't have to sell any products at all to make money. How can that be true? It's true because your club has physical products that people can choose to buy or not buy without any pressure at all. But the number one gold mine product of your business is the membership. And remember, the membership is $9.95 a month. That, my friends, is your powerful source of unlimited income. Let's take a closer look. Your membership club offers people in 240 countries wholesale pricing on products that many of them already buy, love, and repeatedly buy. And right now, they pay primo prices for them. The suspense is killing me, Lou. What kind of products? The highest grade superfoods and nutritional supplements. Here is an important news flash. Your wholesale buyers club is not a health and wellness business. I mean, you wouldn't call Amazon a bookstore, although they launched their global business only selling books. Then they became an everything store. Well, this membership buyers club launched 10 months ago with nutrition that most people need, crave, and buy. The vision of this club is to become a global everything store. Its aim is to offer a good life to as many people as raise their hands to claim it. That's why the business is called Live Good. So am I saying that you can earn unlimited residual income by simply offering a wholesale membership for just $9.95 a month? That's exactly what I'm saying. Now, before we get starry-eyed, I've got to be responsible and ethical by stating this disclaimer. I'm not promising you that you will get rich with Live Good. I'm not promising you that you will earn anything at all. I can just offer you this very real, legitimate opportunity. Then it's up to you to run with it and decide to build it. Okay, let's get back to the math. How exactly does a $9.95 a month membership grow to an unlimited income? To really get this, let's play with this question. How does 1 penny grow in 30 days if you double it each day? On day 2, you've got 2 cents. On day 4, 8 cents. And on day 10, your first penny is only worth $5.12. Not very exciting, right? Well, on day 20, your penny has grown to $5,242.88. Not bad, but still not life-changing. What about day 27? Your penny is now a healthy money tree worth $671,088.64. That should perk you up. What about just 3 days later? You will have $5,369,709.12. Yep, all because you trusted in the growth of 1 penny. How can that be? Simple. You've all heard the words compound interest, but most of us rarely think about the power of compounding. Why is that? It's probably because we've all been hardwired to have linear thinking. 1 + 1 is 2, +1 is 3, +1 is 4, and so on. But compounding stretches our brains into exponential thinking. You're not adding, you're multiplying. Yeah, it's not rocket science, but we're not in the habit of thinking exponentially. So when we see the results, they boggle our minds. Let this sink in. You started with 1 penny on day 1. You just double that penny every day. And on day 30, you have $5,368,709.12. Wow. And the simple, very powerful secret of the Live Good compensation plan's key to enormous wealth is the same secret as the pennies, which is no secret at all. Compounding. There are a total of 6 ways to get paid as a Live Good affiliate member. They are all good and generous. In this video, we're only going to look at one of them, the most powerful one called matching bonuses. The great news is that at the end of this video, I'm going to give you free access without any obligation or risk to an actual spot on the Live Good earning tree. That will take you behind the scenes where you can learn about all the ways that Live Good pays you when you just do your small part by keeping your membership active for only $9.95 a month. Okay, now for the power of matching bonuses. See this graph? Nothing exciting about it on the surface. Beneath the surface, oh my God. Think of an iceberg. A small portion is visible above water. The much bigger portion is submerged and hidden from our sight. But it's there, and it is powerful. Imagine the underwater peaks you see on the screen extending down, down, and down until they're beyond your field of sight. That picture gives you a small sense of the Live Good matching bonuses. Here's what the graph tells you. Your rank indicates how big you have grown your team. Generations refer to the people you personally enroll, the people those people enroll, the ones they enroll, and so on for 5 levels of enrollment. You will match the earnings of every person you personally enroll by 50%. For example, if you enroll 10 people and they each earn only $200 a month, you get $100 pay on each of them. Since there are 10 people, you've just earned an extra $1,000 a month. And that is only your first generation. Once you reach the diamond rank, you earn 4 more levels of income on each of your personally enrolled people. And here's the game changer that's never been seen before. There is no limit to how many people you can match or how much you can earn in matching bonuses. Calculating the exact dollar amounts for you in this video would turn this into a mind-bending math class. You wouldn't enjoy that, and trust me, neither would I. So I'm going to do one better. I'm going to show you the actual earnings in 1 month from one of Live Good's top earning members. This image is from behind the scenes of his personal pay record in his own Live Good website. $44,810.53 in 1 month from matching bonuses alone. I'm going to give you full free access to a detailed video that visually shows you how the matching bonuses are calculated. When you watch it, you don't need to fully understand it. Just appreciate that it is possible. You'll get free access to the video as soon as you claim your no risk, no obligation position in my team's earning tree. And no, you don't have to use your credit card for access. I don't know about you, but my head spins every time I see these numbers, especially when you consider how easy it is to claim this opportunity. Let's recap. To start your own Live Good business with the ability to create whatever income you desire, this is all that it takes. 1. Claim your free position in the earning tree and research everything to your heart's content. 2. If what you see excites you, pay $40 once only to become an affiliate, plus $9.95 for your first month of membership. 3. Pay $9.95 each month that you choose to remain a member. 4. In 1 year, your total cost will add up to $160. That's often the price of one supplement in many network marketing companies. You have no products to purchase. There are no requirements for that. There are no recruiting requirements. Now, recruiting is highly recommended if you want to earn life-changing money. You have no monthly auto ships. You can buy products from your own club when you want to, only if you want to. And you have no quotas or other hidden requirements to remain an active earning member. I lied. There is one earning requirement. Pay your $9.95 a month membership fee. You'll find the link below this video to the page that invites you to claim your free, no-risk obligation spot in the earning tree. You deserve to have it because it takes you behind the scenes, where everything about the compensation plan and the products is revealed. This has got to be I'd say one of the biggest no-brainers you've ever been offered. Click on the link yesterday. Okay, that might be hard to do. Click on it now and claim your free spot on the Live Good Earning Tree.